Conversation 1.
Do you ever go hiking?
I used to, but I haven't gone in ages.
Oh, really? I love hiking. I go all the time.
That's nice. It's good to escape the city once in a while.
Absolutely. You should come hiking with us one of these days.
I'd love that. I really need to get out of the city.
Well, my wife and I are planning a hike sometime next month. Please join us.
That sounds like fun. I'd love to.
Great. I'll let you know once it's all set.
Conversation 2.
Do you listen to classical music?
Almost never. I prefer more upbeat genres.
Fair enough. But I find classical music soothing once in a while.
Really? I never would have guessed you like classical music.
Well, it's nice to have a change of pace from time to time.
Maybe I should give it another chance.
You should. You might discover something you enjoy.
All right. I'll give it a try.
Conversation 3.
Have you ever been to the theater?
Yes, I go once in a blue moon.
Oh, really? I love watching live performances all the time.
It's not really my thing, but I do enjoy it occasionally.
We should go together sometime. I think you'll enjoy it more if we go more often.
Perhaps you're right. I'm open to giving it another chance.
Great. Let's plan a theater night soon.
Okay, count me in.
Conversation 4.
Do you like cooking?
I cook almost never. I'm not really good at it.
Oh, that's too bad. I love experimenting in the kitchen every now and then.
Well, if you're willing to teach me, I might try it more often.
I'd be happy to show you some easy recipes. Cooking can be fun.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Maybe I'll discover a hidden talent.
That's the spirit. We'll start with something simple and go from there.
Sounds like a plan. I'm excited to learn.